morning, students. We'll continue the chapter, The Friendly Mongoose. In the earlier part, we knew that they had a pet as mongoose for their baby. The wife had gone out to the bazaar, and the husband, finding no work at home, goes to his field but gets involved with some friends and doesn't come back. So we'll see now what happens in the second part. The farmer's wife finished her shopping and came back home with a basket full of groceries. She saw the mongoose sitting outside as if waiting for her. So when she came back, she found the mongoose outside the house. On seeing her, he ran to welcome her as was customary. Customary is usual. U-S-U-A-L, usual. Usually when she would to come back into the house, the mongoose would welcome by running towards her. The farmer's wife took one look at the mongoose and screamed. Screamed is shouted. Blood, she cried. The face and paws of the mongoose were smeared with blood. Smeared is covered. Paws, the front legs of animals are called paws. They were covered with blood. So she was shocked. You wicked. Wicked is cruel. You cruel animal. You have killed my baby. She screamed hysterically in a mad way. That she thought that the mongoose has killed her baby. She was blind with rage. Rage is anger. She was very angry that this mongoose, whom they had kept as a pet, as a companion to their baby, she thought the mongoose has killed the baby. She was blind with rage and with all her strength brought down the heavy basket full of groceries. She was carrying a basket and she hit on the blood-smeared mongoose and ran inside to the child's cradle. So with the basket, she, in a very strong way, hits the mongoose and runs inside to see if the child is okay. What she finds inside? The baby was fast asleep, but on the floor lay a black snake, torn and bleeding. In a flash, she realized what had happened. See, children, what she thought that the mongoose had killed her baby. But when she went inside, she finds a snake, a dead snake, all bleeding. And she realizes that it is the mongoose was smeared with blood because it had killed the snake and not the baby. In a flashes, in a moment, she realized what had happened. She ran out looking for the mongoose. And what happens, children? Oh, you saved my child. You killed the snake. What have I done? She cried. Cried is shouted, touching the mongoose. But students, the mongoose lay dead and still. Still means without any movement. Unaware of her sobbing. Sobbing is weeping and crying. Weeping and crying. The farmer's wife, who had acted hastily and rashly. Hastily is without thinking. Hastily and rashly means without thinking. Stared is look for a long time at a particular thing. Stared long at the dead mongoose. She realizes her mistake, that what she thought that the mongoose had killed her baby was actually not true. Then she heard the baby crying. Wiping her tears, she went to feed him. Students, what we learn from this chapter is that seeing is not always true. Sometimes we take decisions immediately and which can be wrong. In this case, in this chapter, the mongoose had saved the baby from the snake. But actually, the farmer's wife thought that the mongoose had killed her baby. And in a hasty decision, in a decision without thinking, she had hit the mongoose and who had died. So sometimes we have to be careful before we take a decision. This is what we learn from this chapter. In our next session, we'll come with the question answers. Thank you, students. Have a nice day.